I'm Debbie Colburn, and I'm second VP of Holliston Newcomers and Neighbors. And this is one of our fundraisers. We have many fundraisers throughout the year, and they fund our grant fund that we give back to the community. We're also celebrating our 50th anniversary this year. We started in 1969.
This is a very big event for us. We have over 1,100 people expected, probably closer to 2,000 attendees. We were able to fill the parking lot to capacity with all these wonderful and interesting vehicles from Holliston, also from Ashland and Framingham, and as far away as Walpole. And we actually also have the National Guard here from Ayer. So they drove a while to get here and do this for the community.
Hello, welcome. This is our largest event of the year, and it brings a great turnout. It's come to be a Holliston favorite. We enjoy doing it, and we love having all of the children and all the families come together with all of the businesses in and around town. We've had a gorgeous day this year, and we're so happy for all of the community fostering that this event can bring, and we love that it brings in funds to give back to the community at the end of the year through our grant program.